electromagnetic saltwater steam engine. You see, powered by using salt water and electricity, which is conducted by salt water. So here, this little spark here charges the water, and also this electromagnetic wheel works as a turbine, helping water flow and spin as water heats up, evaporates up here, and these pumps adding torque, force. Water recondenses up here and redrifts back, water recycled. Part of another fuel tank and power source up here in the back. The water like goes around. This is where there are pump pipes from here to the back, or from the back to the front. Like salt water goes up here, charged, electrified here, here, negative, positive, negative, positive, and the steam also as here vibrates up here, these pipes, and also they're spring loaded for more natural bounce, adding more force and torque to your machine. Either way, and he said a battery in the back charges this, which spins these. Also, wheels are connected to this wheels that go on the ground are connected to this big thing. I couldn't draw them, or they're connected with the spinning motion. Here's the vehicle, here's the engine from another angle. E3, two pipes, water flows out, and one big one, water flows in. And here's the electromagnetic saltwater steam engine.